Hi there. I'm very happy to announce that AWS Tech Guide is organizing an internship program for recent graduate students. Someone who has recently completed or will be completing by next year. In this internship program, we are mainly focused on AWS Cloud Development. You will get a 360-degree learning opportunity with modern IT tools, technologies, and IT industry practices, mainly focused on AWS. All interns will be working in an agile team. They will be crafting ideas by brainstorming and they will plan the project themselves. Definitely, it will have the guidance from AWS Tech Guide site. They will plan the project, build and deliver the solution. Every team member will have accountability and importance in team. If you are university graduate in information technology or computer science, can apply as a team of 2 or 5 people also. To know more about this internship program, please visit awstechguide.com and you will find internship for AWS Cloud Development. If you have any query, please write us at contact@awstechguide.com. Thank you for your time. Looking forward to see you in this internship program.